today we're gonna be catching heaters. Okay, so TP to Wind Clan to do a heat RP. Okay. Looks like everyone's not buying it. Like, why? I'm just catching heaters, guys. I'm not doing a freaking heat RP. Ooh, someone joined, bro. I'm gonna catch them. Hello, sir. Yeah, like, hello, sir. What do you came here for? Oh my goodness, my grammar sucked. So I told him, add me. I'm gonna take him to like a more dead server to talk to him about shit. I was originally meant to like take him to the bed and pretend to do the roleplay, but then like interview him or something. But then I was like, you know what? We're just gonna do it in this place. So I'm looking. I do not find him. But where is he? I can't really find his user. I don't know. Didn't know. So obviously we're beginning a small interview like in the soul server. I'm like, why did you came here? Because who's gonna come here for the hierarchy? Lid, I have a question. What RP did you came here for? Obviously, if he came here for a Wind Clan roleplay, then I'll just let him go. I finally found him and friend requested him. Yes, I am of RP. I feel like Lid is probably a little kid. But looks like I don't know that. We have to be very sure that he's a little kid. So I added you. What RP? Wind Clan or he RP I just mentioned? Okay. That's not a good valid response. Are you an idiot? Looks like some stalkers came. These are the idiots that were like stalking me the entire time of me doing this. Because I am sure a newbie. I was gonna tell him this, but then I was like, you know what? We're gonna see if he's really a heater, okay, or he's just a kid. We don't know. So I decided to erase it. So this is like what he left. Like, did this dude just left? This dude just left. Obviously, I started exploring the place I was in. I'm really scared. These are the people that were stalking me the entire time of me doing this. I told her, I caught him 4K lacking, bruh. What do you think? I literally just sit here doing heat role plays. I'm literally an Eds heater, fun fact, actually. I used to do, Wolves Life 3 heat role plays. I caught him. Huh? We're spectating. I caught a heater. Like, bro, I caught a heater. He left. He left to just change his morph, of course. Okay, then. We were just investigating. I would do the same. Wait, you should join. I know. He did experience heat RPs. Which is just scary. Like, can you imagine going on like detail of cats just having sex? So obviously I caught him. So I'm just like explaining these to these people. That's good. Fire. He left. Bro left. Lol. I'm like sorry. I'm like, so why did you came here? I'm recording. This is, to be honest, is actually a great way to cut cheaters. Bro, cut the flow. He's so funny. By the way, I did this in an alt account, not in my main account, obviously, because I have like a crap ton of friends and they just randomly joined me. Well, that was back in the past, okay? I had a crap ton of creepy friends and they randomly joined me. So then he joined again the server. This is Led. Obviously, he's back doing the freaking heat RP again, being disgusting. So Led, your morph looks horrible, obviously, because I'm telling you that to a fucking heater. Every heater's morph is ugly. I don't care. If you have sets in a kid's game, you are the most disgustingest person in the world. So, I obviously wanted to do the interview for Lid in the KP table. And it looks like someone copied my morph. We're twins now, I guess. Lid didn't quite understand. And I'm starting to realize that maybe Lid is just a stupid or something. So obviously Lid disconnected. What's going on? Okay, so this glitch always happens to me. It's so annoying. I reset it, but then I realized I have to go to the editor, and then you have to like TP to a random clan. So I teleported to Wind Clan because that was the clan that he was in. Not Kitty. Oh, never mind, Kitty Pets. I teleported to Kitty Pets, I guess. Maybe he might, understand. I guess I have no one in Kitty Pets. I obviously told Lid I am in KP. Let's teleport so we could talk. But Lid didn't quite understand that. Maybe he's just playing on Xbox or something. Oh my god, bro. Lid isn't like an idiot. And his, like, her morph is so ugly. She changed her name to Emma. That's such a worse name. So obviously I tried checking leaderboard, but the new update in Roblox didn't quite understand it. It was looking the entire time. But where the hell's like... Okay, there we go. Bro, Lid is inside Wind Clan? Oh my goodness. Okay. So I have someone else in here with me, obviously. Okay, there we go. That's the ugly person there. That's Lid. He looks so ugly. Okay, Lid. I have a few questions because you're a little sussy. So I'm gonna sit down. Answer honest. Why did you came here? Answer honest, Lid. Why the hell did you came here? The RP. Obviously, Lid started, being an idiot. Why are you doing a he RP in a kids game, okay? Be AFK. Obviously, I started seeking advice for the nearby Bambi, like Bambi. Bambi, can I get your help for catching him? Give me like a question, I need help, bro. Like I have like nothing to ask this little horny motherfucker. The heater. In 4K. Hmm. Wait, what? I need some questions for him. Yeah, because I literally have no idea what I'm supposed to say. Like, are you trying to catch a minor? I mean, I don't even know if he's a minor. I don't even know if I'm a minor. Well, I actually am. How did you catch him? I spammed. Who wants to do a heat RP? Yeah, so I obviously explained them why, how I caught him. Not why, how I caught him. This ugly dude TP'd. Nasty. Of course he's nasty, bro. I think I sent him a bunch of inappropriate stuff, obviously. So, why did you want to do a heat RP in the first place? And about, he's pretending to be dumb. We're waiting for him to reply, obviously. I have a feeling that this dude is either a kid who doesn't understand anything or he's a pedophile. Hi, can I join? I want you to answer my question. I am go cry. Why did you want to join? I made a kid cry. I'm hoping he's not a kid. But if he is and he's watching this, I am like so sorry, okay? There are so many role plays. The RP Bambi was doing, obviously. Not Barbara. Not a reason you're in a heat RP. Roblox is a literal kids game. I'm sorry, buddy. You gotta go. Please, can I join? So I asked him this. Do you even know what heat means? Yeah, obviously. I'm testing if he's innocent. You're innocent. Oh! That's like literally when I just realized this dude is a kid. He doesn't know anything. Maybe you could join the RP. You see something with heat and RP, stay away off. It's very it gets you being a kid. You gotta let it go, thank you. Okay, so I guess that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's not actually catching a heater. Maybe the next episode of this, we could actually catch a heater.